Okay, Spanish lesson number 2 with Georgia. We are learning how to say cállate la boca, shut up or shut your mouth. Georgia, cállate la boca. Cállate,
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 cállate.
la
La
boca.
boca,
Boca, B-O-C-A.
boca.
Okay, cállate la boca.
Cállate la boca.
Did you say the
I thought
You said
yeah, you said like la boca. Cállate la boca.
Cállate la boca.
Yeah, okay, now they say it really fast. They say it like cállate la boca.
What?
Okay. Cállate la boca. You say, like, how do you like do that? Like, you know how Spanish how they talk? Like how things just like go really, really fast?
I don't understand them when they talk at all.
La boca.
La boca?
La
Like the
boca.
C gets eaten up.
Yeah.
And it
la
turns
boca.
into some other letter. I don't know.
It's like you didn't even say the B. Cállate la boca. Cállate la boca. Like, she can just say cállate la boca. You can say boca. Like, it's alright. They just say it really fast.
Okay.
Cállate la boca.
Cállate la boca.
You said le.
La.
Yeah, that's
Cállate
la.
French, Georgia.
La boca.
Le is French.
Yeah,
I'm
la.
sorry.
Sorry, my French. Okay, say okay.
Cállate la boca.
Yeah, la
Yeah.
boca.
La.
Yeah, because boca, cause feminine, therefore it's la.
I know it's feminine.
Okay.
La bouche.
Yeah.